Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are shopping for a small family calendar, three of the best names right now are Apolosign, we have Cozyla and Skylight. So while all three can sync the calendars and help organize the family schedules, they target different types of users. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing all these three. So first of all, let's start with the overall experience. So here, Skylight is designed primarily as a dedicated family calendar with a simple interface that's very easy for everyone in the house to use. Then we have Apollo Sign that feels more like a smart Android dashboard, combining the calendar features with the widgets, tasks, meal planning, and customization options. Cozyla also uses an Android-based system and offers the more flexibility, supporting additional applications and multimedia features beyond scheduling. Now, for family organizations, all three support shared calendars and syncing with the major services. Skylight here stand out for its polished software, chore tracking, meal planning, and family-focused tools. Apollo Sign includes the chore charts, routines, meal planning, and customization widgets without requiring a subscription for many features. Cozyla is most customizable option and it works well for the families that want more productivity, entertainment, video calling, and calendar management on a single device. So here the real question comes, which one should you actually purchase? So you can go with Skylight if you want easiest setup and the most family friendly experience right now out of the box. You can choose Apollo Sign if you want strong family planning features without ongoing subscription costs. You can choose Cozyla if you prefer maximum flexibility and you want your calendar display to function more like a full-featured smart tablet. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.